When we all were mandated to start working remotely from home, I wanted to make sure that I continued to be able to provide that service of assisting backyard growers, community gardeners, teacher educators, or urban farmers with their production needs.
The most important thing I think to make your decision about right off the bat is site selection.
I came up with the idea that I would offer any department, any team, or any org a virtual gardening class or classes, and that's for any of our colleagues in Buckeye Nation, but that's also for all of the other client residents that I serve in Franklin County.
And there's a ton of stuff that you can plant.
This is going to address anybody who has production-related questions, quite honestly. I will say that the vast majority of people that are engaging me to teach them classes are absolute beginners. They're looking for a health and wellness activity, something that can keep them in a positive mood, something that still maintains social distance, and being able to grow your own food is a great activity. What the classes do is it gives us a chance to connect with the clients. You know, I want to foster lifelong learning, right? Extension's been around a long time. We want to provide for sustainability. I want people to start gardening this year, but keep gardening next year and every year after that as well. When I started an extension, I started getting asks about backyard poultry.
So when we brood chicks, we start with 90 to 95 degrees, and that is measured.
But it's another skill that people are looking for that they can do at home, and it provides a protein stream into their personal family food security. And the asks for backyard poultry knowledge are right up there with growing your own produce in your backyard too. It wasn't too many generations ago when everybody planted and maintained a garden, and it's only been a few generations where we've kind of lost some of that base knowledge. And so anything that I can do that gets people back into that and it provides for personal and family food security, especially now with what we're dealing and the challenges that we have, I am delighted to do that.